y'all, I have more Genius baby products to test out. Let's start with this one right here. This is the Tidy Tot. Easy for you, fun for baby. And this does retail for, I believe, roughly $42. Is this from Amazon? Yes, Amazon. The next Genius baby product is this Num Num pre-spoon utensils. So you have a stage 1, which is called the starter spoon, and then the second, stage 2, is for thicker blends. So I'm assuming the first stage, that might be for, let's say, like a baby puree. And you get 2 packs of these, so you get 4 total for $20.99, also from Amazon. Let's try these out. So we're gonna test out the spoons and then this Tidy Tot. But first, let's set this up. Did you see that in my face? My gosh, it's actually a lot bigger than I thought. Okay, so it does come with this right here to put around, basically like an apron, a bib apron. And then I'm assuming, oh, it's this way, because you want the little suction cups underneath. And then the spoons, this is the Num Num pre-spoon utensils, baby's first spoon. Yes, see, Emma is very excited. Let's put this on and put it to the test, see how Emma enjoys this. So you have the hole, you put it on the back of this, and then the sections are right underneath, right here. So I'm going to see if I can suction them. And it does say that if they don't hold on, then just put them in boiling water for 30 seconds, and that's how you take care of the suction cups. All right, let's put it in. All right, are you ready? Oh, they came off. That was a fail. Is that funny? I'm just taking a wet wipe and just trying to put that on. Let's see if it'll stick. Is this so silly? Here you go. Let's use this spoon first. I don't know what to do. It's like, wait, I can just use my hands? Yeah, that's how you usually eat, don't you? You just use your hands. You see how it's kind of hanging off? So what happens is, literally hangs off the back. So some of the food might fall, but I do like that they have this little edge all the way around. So if anything does kind of go back, it can catch the food. And it is attached at the very edge of the tray. And this right here is one of the best things we have purchased for the high chair. Just this little mat that you can clean off. So yeah, I like that. He can't get the rest of his clothes dirty. That's where it all gathers. And the Velcro seems very intense and strong. I do have some puree food from Once Upon a Farm. It's one of our favorite brands. Oh, look at that. It does hold food. And then you take it and then you eat it. What do you think of that flavor? It is green apple and kales.
Yummy, yummy, yum.
Look at that. It actually does pick up pretty well. You could, if he slams it, like, yeah, it'll definitely come out, but it looks like it's right in the grooves. You wanna try it yourself? Put that in your hands. Here. Okay, so he just wants to touch everything now.
Yeah. Now, if they could only make like this thing with a bathtub, so you just drop them in and wash them.
I made him some oatmeal. The good kind of oatmeal. Oh yeah, definitely, if you like shove it in, yeah, it definitely will hold. The orange one will definitely hold a lot more of that, more of like chunkier foods.
You look like you have a feast, bro.
He looks so tired. I think we're done. He's tired.
Putting that food right
He's
into
ready
his
for
eye.
his nap. Let's clean you up. This next Genius baby product I'm very excited about. So this right here is by Primo Lap Baby, and this is a hands-free sitting aid. Really cool, but I'm also really interested to see what he's gonna try to grab. So essentially this right here is a thing you kind of wrap around your waist, and then it has an extra little wrap that you put the baby in and secure the baby to yourself. Like they're showing right here, a picture. It looks like a grandmother is holding the baby in the wheelchair so the grandma can wheel herself and hold the baby at the same time. How incredible is that? This retails for $34.95, also on Amazon. Let's go check this out. So you have the first part, you unclip, you put this forward right here, and then you clip it in the back, which is really nice. And then you take this and you do it nice and tight, secure to your waist. Feels pretty good. Okay. And then this part right here, there's a little clip on the side.
So how do you put them in there now?
So you put them on the lap. So there's a thing right here And then an extra secure. Oh, this is so cool. Now I can literally just do this. I can give him like a snack while he eats so he doesn't get dirty. And then you can also attach a little toy right here. Then you just clip it in. Or you can even like a pacifier. Watch this. We did it. Look at that. Now you can play and mommy can work. Oh, this is so nice, guys.
Yeah, I think the only thing they need is more attachment for toys.
Because there's only one.
So you can play with stuff.
But I feel like this is nice if like you can't, you have to have your hands free, but they want to be held and be close to you. Like this is great. I can actually get a lot of stuff done. This one looks really cool and promising. This is by Lula Clips. This is their magnetic car seat clips, but it's also for strollers. What this does is it comes with like safety pins. That's how you attach it to your car seat or stroller. And then the other side is a magnet, and they're little hands like this, little baby hands. And what it helps is you basically take your clips, like your metal clips, and you attach it or just secure it to the magnets, and it holds it there while you put the baby in or take the baby out. That way the straps, they don't get twisted, and they're just always right there. It's $39.99 on Amazon. And the one thing that's kind of bothering me are those safety clips. Because Emmer right now, he likes to touch everything around him. So I'm wondering, I might need to move it kind of out of his like sight line, his reach. But the thing is, he has a pretty good reach already. So we'll see. Let's see how these work. I'm gonna attach these to his car seat. So we have the Duna, and it's quite easy, but sometimes the straps do fall back in. So I'm wondering where I would put this because I want it out of the way. I was scared because of the safety pin, but there's this little mechanism that's kind of like a lock where it keeps the safety pin from moving in or out. So it does seem pretty safe. Like it seems very sophisticated. So I'm assuming it's like this, right? Is that bad that I had to do that? Thumbs go in, Milana. They go in, not out. Okay, there it is. You can kind of move it out of the way. It doesn't look weird. It actually looks kind of cute. It's like little baby hands. My goodness, actually kind of cute. Let's see if it actually holds. Ooh, okay. We're going to put him in, test this out. Wow. Okay, look at that. Ooh, you ready to try this out? Oh, look at that. So then you just take it off, and it does come off really easily. Another one. Oh, that's actually really nice. Let's buckle him in.
Let's see if he'll reach.
Yeah. Can you touch this? I'm gonna try to point at it or hit it. See if you'll try to touch it. Yeah, you can definitely touch it. But the thing is, it has that safety thing.
As long as there's nothing sharp.
Yeah. Emret, are you playing with your little hand? Yeah, your little magnet hand?
You pulled it.
All right. This looks really interesting. This right here is Unbuckle Me. It's a car seat buckle release tool. Look at this. Jackie told me about this, and she said that her mother-in-law uses this for her kids. And what it does is it basically prevents thumb pain and broken nails from unbuckling a child's car seat. This retails for $14.99. You can store this in your car. You can put it on a keychain or on your diaper bag, which is really neat. I'm excited to try this out because, you know, sometimes when you get a nice manicure, you don't want to mess it up. Is that so bad? That sounds so vain. Let's test this out and see how easy it is, because they do say makes it 50% easier to unbuckle.
All right, let's see how that works.
So this right here, it has this little thing right in the inside, and it feels kind of grippy. You want to hold it? Yeah, let me first do this.
Do it from that side.
And then this side.
Yeah, it doesn't.
I think I'm doing this wrong. Oh, that was really easy actually. That's it. Let's go. Oh, that was nice.
Perfect, because the baby will be screaming while you're doing this.
Real life. I just think maybe what I'm kind of seeing, you have to physically spread it apart before you shove it underneath, because this middle section, the one that's actually gonna open the car seat, it was kind of getting stuck because it's a little bit, there's like a silicone, like a silicone material around it to make it grippy. So that's why I was kind of having a hard time. But I like it. Very easy, they pop out and you're good to go. You don't have to break your nails. This right here, I recently purchased because Emmerich is at a stage where he's done with his little baby seat in the tub. So I got this. This is by, I think it's called the Froggy Collection from Mommy's Helper. I think it's literally called Mommy's Helper, but this is their inflatable bathtub. And there were crazy amount of reviews on this product. People love it. And this on Amazon, I believe it's around $19.99. $19.99. What I liked about it was when you inflate it, there's this little section right here where it kind of separates his legs, so it's kind of like a seat, but then there's an actual little spot where you can pour water and put maybe like some bath toys, so you can like really explore and just hang out while he's having bath time. I hope he really likes this. Let's see if he does. All right, we're getting ready for bath time, and Andre's gonna blow it up, the little froggy thing. There's like 3 areas where you have to blow it up. Is it hard or something? We're gonna do this another way.
I'm gonna do this smart way.
Okay, so we got this thing blown up. The one thing is, they're saying this thing right here in this, like this saddle thing, they're called saddle horn. They're saying it's optional to put like your baby's feet through it. This right here is to drain the water once he's done with the bath. So you put his little bum right here around the saddle horn, and then here you put like toys and stuff, or just water and bubble bath. Ooh. What do you think?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Look at the little guy go.
Oh, you love it, huh? Going with the same theme with bath time. This is the patented Lil Rinser. It's a splash guard that you put around your baby's or your toddler's or your child's head. That way it doesn't get into their eyes, into their ears, and it says dry eyes, dry ears, no fears, rinse and run technology. That's actually really cute. Right now, Emmerich, he doesn't really care, to be honest with you. He doesn't mind getting splashed into his face because he literally splashes so hard where it's all over the place. Like I have to like clean the entire bathroom after he's done. But I think he might really enjoy this when he's older. And this right here does retail for $11.99 on Amazon. I want to see how he's gonna like this cap. I feel like he's too small for it still because like I said, he doesn't really care if water gets in his eyes. But I want to see if he's gonna like this, so let's see. I don't know if he's gonna let me put this on him. You gonna play with this? Yeah, there we go. So you put it around his head, and then you secure it from the back. Try to get a little bit of water. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, Bubs. That's so fun. Whoops. I think it's kind of cool, especially when it goes forward. Are we done? Should we take that off?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take this off. Let's see if it leaves a mark. Oh, it's not too, I mean, you definitely see a mark. But I think this is good for when he's just ready to rinse and that's it. Like I wouldn't do it for the full bath time because that's just kind of like, it's just kind of bothersome in a way, you know? But look at that. Good job, my love. I might not use it all the time, but maybe when he gets a little bit older, I'm definitely keeping this because I really like this. Last but not least, this is really cool and I believe genius. This is by the brand Pudge. Pudge. This is their dual purpose towel. It says I'm ultra soft, you can touch it, and they are correct. It's a very soft. Easily dry baby with both hands free. How cool is that? I feel like I'm always struggling. I'm always like, babe, can you come please get Emmerich? Because I'm like holding him, a wet baby, while Andre puts the towel on him with the little hood. So I feel like
the two-man system right
it
now.
is. It's a two-man job, literally. It does look like it has a little hood right here. I'm thinking it has a hood. But this system looks so cool. Like, look at this. You even hold it around your neck while you're giving the baby a bath so you don't get soaked. Genius. I like that. Let's test this out. I really like this idea in this concept. And this retails for $34.99. Oh, okay. Where's the little towel here? Little hood. Oh. I think I failed at this. Okay. we did it. Let's go.
It's a one-man team now.
All right, so I do like the towel, but I wish it was a lot bigger because for like a bigger baby, it barely covered him, you know? Isn't that nice? I think it's actually really good, but I think for the price, the quality is not so great. Like you can see right there, like that stitching is, it looks pretty cheap. It is soft, but it feels like a lot. Looking at this, it doesn't feel or look like a $35 towel. And then these right here, even though they're rubber and they're pretty soft, it's not as secure. It fell off of me twice while I was giving him a bath. And I wish it was a lot bigger. I wish it was more snuggly. And the little hood, I wish it was a little bit bigger as well. There are so many awesome baby products on the market. You definitely don't need every one of these. You don't need any of these, honestly. But it's just so nice to see that people are trying to make, I guess, lives easier with babies or more convenient for everybody in the baby's life. Grandmothers, grandparents, aunts, uncles, nieces, cousins, I don't know. I think there's some really cool products here in this mix. Let me know if you've tried any of these and what is your favorite product. But for now, you guys, thank you for watching, spending time with me, Emrit, Jackie in the background, and Andre. And we'll see the next one very soon. Bye.